Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and you guys know I wasn't going to let you down with this strawberry moon coming up. Now listen you guys, on June 29th, which is Monday, we have the strawberry moon, the full moon, the strawberry moon. And listen, I want to tell you guys about some do's and don'ts, what it really means and what you should be doing and not doing at this point. Now, again, if you missed this video and you're saying, oh my God, I missed the strawberry moon, remember the energy starts a couple of days before and it extends a couple of days after. The peak moment is June 29th. And again, I want you to research in your area, when are you going to see the strawberry moon? What time and what day? Because again, I'm basing this where I am living on the east side of the United States. So basically check it out for yourself. It might come a little earlier for you or it might come a little later. But my whole thing is to get this information out to you early so you can start utilizing this energy now. So now, where am I going with this? And before I get started with this, if you haven't yet bought any of my journals or my books, or please get out there and do so. Simple Money Rituals is my actual book. The others are journals, and I do have coming up very soon part 2 of Simple Money Rituals, which is a series, and this one is Simple Protection Rituals. No matter if we're talking about neighbors, your job, your people in your home, everything is in this book, and it is my favorite rituals that you can do. Again, so blessings to you all. And again, if you love my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell, and join me on Sunday mornings live, you guys. So now the strawberry moon, let's get back to it. It is June 29th for us in the morning, not at night, you guys. We're looking at sometime in the morning. It could be early in the morning, like 6 something in the morning. I'm trying to get now what is the exact time? Yes, 7:57 in the morning on June 29th. That is when we're starting to see the sun, but the moon is going down, and that is the peak energy of that strawberry moon. Now, again, I want you guys to research the time for yourselves. Don't go by what I'm saying because, again, I'm speaking about the east side of the United States of America. Now, what is it basically that you need to know? When we're talking about full moons, we all know full moons is a great time for manifestation. It's a great time to be grateful, and that has not changed. The strawberry moon, for me, is a time to be grateful for what you already have accomplished this year so far. We have the New Year's, the United States New Year's, which is January 1st, and we also have the astrological New Year that occurred in between March and April. So now, this is the time right now where you're going to sit back and you're going to say, okay, what is it at this point that I set out to do? What is working and what is not working? Okay? This is a time to be grateful for the things that have worked already. Like maybe you got a promotion. Maybe you went out and you started doing more things and becoming more social. Maybe you started writing a book, started back writing a book like myself. Whatever it is, it's now time to be grateful and reap the benefits of what you have already done, what you have already accomplished. This is also a time that you sit back and say, this is what I started with, but this is really not what I want at this moment. This is not going along with me at this moment. This may not be for me. This is a time where you need to reflect on your life purpose, on your life journey, and say, this is what's working. I am so grateful. I'm going to keep moving forward with this. But other things, it's time for me to let it go. It's time for me to pivot a little bit. Now, I'm not telling you to give up on your dreams or anything like that. No. But I am telling you to realistically look at your life, look at your desires, look at what it is you want in your life. And I always tell you why. Why do you want this? What is it that's going to make your life better by having whatever it is that you want? $1 million. Is it $1 million, or do you really want that new house? Okay? Whatever it is you're trying to manifest, I need you to understand at this moment, this is what I want. This is what I'm going to continue for the rest of the year. Okay? It is just that simple. Now, there's a lot of energies floating around at this time, you guys. We have Capricorn, Pisces. Listen, when we're talking about Capricorns are kind of like grounded, and they're focused on their career and whatever else that they need to do in life. The Pisces is very emotional, okay? Spiritual and emotional. So you might find yourself at this time like, oh my God, the half the year is over. And you know what? Wow, I didn't do this. I didn't do that. So listen, you might start getting emotional. You might start thinking a lot. And it might be more about the things that you were trying to manifest. But what I'm saying at this time for the strawberry moon, this is a time not to do that. This is the time to sit back and say, whoa, 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 whoa. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for blessing me with the motivation, the ability to get up every morning, the ability to make my money, the ability to have a roof over my head, the ability to keep moving forward as of this day. I want to thank you, God. I want to thank the universe for blessing me with the ability to continue writing. I want to thank you for blessing me with the promotion or with the idea of me applying for this promotion or a career change. Whatever it is that's going on in your life, I need you to be grateful and to thank the universe for blessing you with the idea, with the motivation to do it, or for already giving it to you. And that's what I want to say. Now, when it comes down to people that want to manifest, during the strawberry moon, I would not say this is the time to start a manifestation. No, because again, this is a time to be grateful. Now, a lot of you may already be in the middle of manifesting, maybe doing the 369 or the It Works or writing something out for 28 days. Hey, look, I want you to continue. Don't get fearful and say, oh my God, Yvette said, this is not the time for manifestation. Should I stop doing what I'm doing? No, we never stop. But I want you to acknowledge, to be grateful for whatever it is you already have in your life. I want you to keep going, keep manifesting, but take some time out to stand outside and say, universe, God, thank you for blessing me with my family. Thank you for blessing me with my car. It may not be what I planned to get, but I want to thank you for already blessing me with whatever it is that I have. I want to thank you for allowing me to be able to pay my bills every month. Whatever it is going on in your life, I want you to be thankful, whether it's for money in the bank, for the credit you have that you're able to use, whatever it is. Be grateful, keep manifesting, but understand the strawberry moon is not all about manifestation. It's about gratitude. Okay? So now, what can you do during this time as a ritual? I have down here, okay, write down 3 blessings or manifestations since January. It could be very small. Write it down. When you write it down, hey, look, God, thank you for motivating me so far. Thank you for keeping me happy. I usually be depressed, but lately I've been very happy. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for blessing me with peace. Whatever it is, I want you to write 3 things down and just read it outside or looking outside. Even if you see the moon or you don't see the moon, just write something down and just go outside and take your time. Maybe go for a walk and reflect on the things God has given you. The next thing is I want you to release unrealistic goals. Goals that you know is not really for you. Release it. I'm not telling you to give it up. I'm telling you to release what is no longer for you. Okay? This is part of growth, and this is going to help you manifest when you're ready to move on. Okay? The next thing is I want you to write down a goal that you are expecting before the end of the year. Okay? And that's what I really want you to work with after this strawberry moon. Whatever the goal is, I want you to sit back, read it often, visualize it, and at the same time, move forward with it throughout the year. And again, you guys, you will be amazed how the universe will bless you when you do this. Now, what else can I tell you to do? If there's things in your life that you know you need to release and let go, I'm asking you to write those things down, okay? Rip them up, shred them, burn them, whatever, and say, this is no longer part of my life, and let it go, okay? This is all about releasing and letting go and being grateful for all the things in your life that you have already manifested this year or whenever. Now, my thing is that, listen, don't spend this day thinking about the things you did not do, the things that didn't work out for you. Don't spend your time saying like punishing yourself or ridiculing or saying things negative about yourself based on what it is you wanted to do and where you are so far. We don't do that. We keep moving, you guys. If it's truly what it is that you want, see it for yourself, expect it, and keep moving on. This is the time here we want to be grateful that the universe is blessing us. Listen, I love you guys. And the strawberry moon is a great time just to sit back and just say, thank you, God. Thank you. Whether you're going for a walk, whether you're sitting outside, whether you're just waking up that morning and looking outside to see if you see that strawberry moon, whatever it is. But if you do see that strawberry moon on this day, sit back and look at it and just say, thank you, God, for blessing me. And start naming all the things you're grateful for. And then say, God, I know there's so much more to come in my life, and I want to thank you in advance. And if you want to, you can start naming those things that you expect to manifest during the rest of the year. Again, be realistic, you guys, and watch things manifest. So again, you guys, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. I could not let this day go by without telling you guys what this strawberry moon is all about on June 29th, what you should do and what you should not do. Okay, everybody, much love to you. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. Don't miss the strawberry moon. And again, it can start, the energy is there 2 days before this date and 2 days after. So if you miss the 29th, don't worry about it. Get out there and do whatever it is you need to do.